Top Car Detailing. We're back in the studio this morning, and now we have got an Audi Rs5 Quattro in. Fantastic car this. We've not washed the vehicle yet as it's just been dropped off. We've got quite a bit of work to do on this. It's probably a two-stage machine polish on this car, and then the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra package for long-term protection. Anyway, I'm going to get it washed now, get it back in the studio, and I'll catch you later. Right, so as you can see, we've got the Audi Rs5 on the lift here, and we've had the wheels off the car, air coated internally, externally in Gtechniq C5 wheel armour, same with the calipers here as well. So having the lift in the workshop's a great help here because we can get all the wheels off in one go, and it's very important that we put the right coatings on as well because we want to be protecting them long term. All the wheel arches have been cleaned up as well, and same at the back and all under the sills and the front and back bumper too. Swirl marks and holograms in the paintwork on this Audi Rs5. What we've done, we've wet sanded the back end of the bumper here, machine polished it back, and we've got rid of all the marks and that, also the paintwork. Very important as well, when you're doing wet sanding, you've got to know exactly what you're doing and how far you can actually go. As I say, because of the depth of the lacquer and the paintwork, and obviously how much machine polishing we can actually do. But that's all sorted now, so we've got all the car panel wiped down as well, and then the next stage we'll be moving on to the second stage of machine polishing. So then we're going to get more depth and clarity in the paintwork. This product as well has got a bit of a cut with it, so we're going to refine the paintwork, turn this car into a complete mirror. There's a couple of machines that we've actually used while we've been doing the machine polishing as well on this car, and obviously some severe defects in the paintwork. We've used the blue course pad by Roops here, fantastic bit of kit, plus as well with having the nano hybrid machine you can get to a lot of areas as well to do correction work, etc. What we did with this car, we did two-stage machine polish overall to do all the correction work on the paintwork, and obviously turn this car into a complete mirror. This car now is fully protected for the future and coated in Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra and Exo V4 forming CS black. You can see depth of reflections now in the paintwork. It's like a complete mirror. If you'd like any more information on our car detailing services, check out our website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk, or give me a ring personally where I can give you the right advice moving forward for your car. Also, if you hit the subscribe button below on our YouTube channel, subscribe and keep up to date with what cars we're going to be posting shortly, and see some of the cars that we have detailed here at Top Car Detailing. Anyhow, lots to go now, and I'll be back soon with another nice car. Catch you later.